Are Kia's good cars? Kia has transformed from a budget car brand into a reputable automaker known for reliability, affordability, and modern features. While Kia vehicles offer great value, they have some drawbacks, especially in performance and long-term durability compared to premium brands. This guide examines Kia's reliability, safety, performance, maintenance costs, and overall value to help you decide if a Kia is a good choice. 1. Kia's reputation and reliability. Kia was once considered an economy brand, but in recent years, it has earned a strong reputation for quality and dependability. JD Power and Consumer Reports rank Kia above average in reliability. RepairPal rates Kia 4.0 out of 5, placing it third out of 32 car brands for reliability. 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, one of the best in the industry. Kia has proven to be a reliable brand, often outperforming Honda, Nissan, and Ford in dependability ratings. Second common Kia problems. While Kia cars are generally reliable, some models have reported issues, including engine problems. Some older models, 2011 to 2016, had engine failure issues, particularly with the Theta 2 engine in the Optima, Sorento, and Sportage. Transmission issues. Some Kia models with dual-clutch transmissions, DCTs, have experienced rough shifting. Electrical and infotainment glitches. Touchscreen malfunctions and software bugs have been reported in some models. Brake and suspension wear. Certain models have brake wear issues earlier than expected. Most of these issues affect older models, while newer Kias have shown significant improvement in build quality. Third, Kia safety ratings. Kia vehicles score highly in safety tests and offer advanced safety features such as Kia DriveWise, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. IITHS Top Safety Pick Plus ratings. Many Kia models, including the Telluride, Sorento, and K5, receive high safety scores. 5-star NHTSA ratings. Several Kia models meet top safety standards. Overall, Kia offers excellent safety features, making it a good choice for families and commuters. Fourth, Kia performance and driving experience. Kia vehicles focus on comfort and efficiency rather than sporty performance. Fuel efficiency. Many models such as the Forte, K5, and Sportage Hybrid have excellent gas mileage. Smooth ride. Kia cars provide a comfortable ride, but handling can feel less sporty than competitors like Mazda or Honda. Performance models. Kia now offers sportier options, like the Kia Stinger and K5 GT, which deliver strong acceleration and handling. While Kia vehicles are not performance-focused, they are efficient, practical, and comfortable for everyday driving. 5. Kia maintenance and repair costs. Kia vehicles have lower than average maintenance costs, making them a budget-friendly choice. Annual maintenance cost. Around $474 per year, lower than brands like Honda and Toyota. Affordable parts and repairs. Kia's widespread availability keeps repair costs reasonable. Excellent warranty coverage. The 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty covers major repairs, reducing long-term costs. Overall, Kia vehicles are affordable to maintain and cost-effective compared to many other brands. 6. Most and least reliable Kia models. Most reliable Kia models. Kia Telluride, one of the best midsize SUVs, praised for reliability and quality. Kia Sorento, a solid, well-built midsize SUV with good safety ratings. Kia K5, a reliable midsize sedan with modern features. Kia Soul, a quirky, fuel-efficient subcompact SUV. Least reliable. Kia models. Kia Forte, older models. Some reliability concerns with transmissions in older versions. Kia Optima, 2011 to 2016, known for engine failures in certain years. Kia Sportage, older models. Some models had engine and suspension issues. Kia vehicles provide great value, modern features, and reliability, making them a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. While some older models had issues, newer Kias have improved significantly in quality and dependability. If you're looking for an affordable, well-equipped car with a strong warranty, Kia is a great option.